Shibu Narayanan, the project director for this Chinmaya University project. And as you are aware, this is a unique project of Chinmaya Mission where we are building a deemed to be university under Section 3 of UGC Act. And it's a one of it's not the one of the but it is a special kind of project with a vision and mission of Swami Chinmayananda. So this project has been visualized by Swami Chinmayananda way back in 1990, and now we are in an operation stage. So I'm working as a project director in this project for the last 6 years, and we are also glad to be and proud to be part with ECOSTP also in this project. From the beginning of this project, we were in search of greener technology, sustainable technology, or the systems which will offer environmentally friendly solutions all the way. Not only in the case of STP, all other aspects of this project, we were trying to be environmentally friendly, use the green technology or a sustainable technology in the long run. As you are aware, this is being a university campus. We are building this for years to come or centuries to come, and our students or faculties, which are, of course, the next generation for our pride nation. So we would like to convey the message or vision of Chinmayananda Swamiji in the form of a sustainable technology as well to our future generation. So the search of sustainable technology or greener technology or the conservation of energy, these are the basic things which we try to adopt in various segments of our projects or the domains of our project. In search of that, of course, in the design stage, we were all struck with the conventional system of sewage treatment also. But at the same time, as I mentioned, we were in search of an alternate technology, and luckily our consultant, Dr. Raghavendranji, also helped us to find out how to reach out to ECOSTP from Bangalore. And we had a series of discussions to understand the technology that they are adopting, which was something new to us also. And that series of discussions have enlightened us about this new technology, and the highlight of this new technology, what we struck with is it's a zero power consumption technology. So we never come across a sewage treatment plant where there is no power consumption at all. But ECOSTP they could provide us the solution by demonstrate themselves with respect to their earlier projects or the successful projects they have done various parts of the country, and even including Kerala and outside, to demonstrate their skill. They have made us to establish their technology and convince us. So we got with the ECOSTP technology for our sewage treatment plants. Now 3 numbers of STP have been already constructed in our campus at various places of various capacities, and in future also we will have further STPs along with our expansion plan. So we are now convinced about the technology that they have explained to us. Our STPs are in the operational stage now. We are all happy with the technology and the outcome. And the most important and the fantastic part that we found out is the maintenance aspects. On the running cost expenses, if you consider about this particular technology in comparison with the conventional SBBR or MBBR technology STPs, we find there is zero maintenance cost. It's just about a desludging to be done in a yearly once and some cleaning, regular routine cleaning and all. Nothing apart from. So this is a message that we would like to give the next generation by adopting the technology and proving it right. I told you in the previous segment as well that if you are not come across with the ECOSTP, unfortunately, if that were the situation, we could have gone with the conventional system for sure. But as I mentioned, we are in search of a kind of greener or sustainable technology, not only in the domain of STP, sewage treatment, we are in search of such kind of technology in all other aspects of our project. So I believe, and Chinmayanandaji will always direct us into the right direction. We also believe in that. So I believe in some situation also, as part of our search for alternate technology and the greener or sustainable technology, we could have managed to reach out to ECOSTP. That still I believe so. So it happened. So he will make it happen. So we believe in that philosophy that Swami Chinmayanandaji will make it happen. That way we also believe that the ECOSTP would have been come across to us. As I mentioned, and our advice to society even is about to go with something greener, something sustainable technology, because we are all part of this particular heavenly earth, and the resources available are limited. So we need to conserve the available resources for not only for us, for the future to come. So being part of that particular philosophy also, we would like to have consume minimum energy or take out the minimum and give the maximum to the society. This is exactly what the message we want to convey by implementing this particular SDP system technology also. Thank you.